What's going on? This is the JakeOfALL, and I am going to show you a single product, show you what it does, and because obviously we sell it, you're going to see this link on the site, but if you're also watching this from YouTube, you can get a link in the description to go and buy it. This was a request of one of you all, so I hope this helps. I hope this makes more sense. I'm going to go ahead and turn the camera around. We're going to show the product. Alright, so I call this the grinder holder. It's very unoriginal name. So this grinder holder gives you this mount, as you can see. This mount is designed to work with a whole bunch of the different PACKOUT accessories so that you can take stuff like grinders or anything with sort of a round shaft like that and mount it onto your PACKOUT, onto a PACKOUT wall grid, okay, to a PACKOUT wall cleat, to packable Joey and Joey Jr. accessories. So if you've got this guy on the front of your PACKOUT, or if you've got this guy on the side of your PACKOUT, or if you have one of our products like the double decker, as you can see, boom, you can throw the grinder on there. And look, I have dual grinders. I have two, so for example, I could pull this guy out and put him down here. And there we go. It's a place to mount your grinders that works with PACKOUT mounting ideas. If you've got this guy, which is sort of a different style Joey, they fit in it, they're a little tighter. Sometimes that can be an advantage because with them being a little tighter, they'll stay put. But in these are angled, so once you push them in, they got a little click, holds in place so that you can pick it up, move it to the other side. Obviously, if you have your handle, you wouldn't use that one there. But yeah, the grinder holder just gives you a nice quick access for things like the grinder. I have seen a few people who have said you can hang grinders from there. It's a little hard, so I just wanted an easier way to be able to do it. So if you have any of the stealth mount cleat and feet and you put a cleat anywhere, you can also have this and mount it to the side of a workbench. You can drill through it and put screws. Maybe I might put that in a later revision. That's not actually a terrible idea. So yeah, check it out. It's available at shop.jakeofall.com. Grinder holder. And there'll be a link in the description. Sorry for the pause, but I'm doing these in one clip. But you can see, convenient way, throw grinders, throw tools onto the side of your PACKOUT, the front of your PACKOUT, your Joeys, your Joey Juniors, or any of the PACKOUT mounting stuff. So if you put it on a lid, flip the lid up, whatever you want to say, it can mount it to. So you guys have a good one, and thanks for the advice. You guys pack out.